Good afternoon. I'm Fire Chief Robert Hutto with the City of Louisville Fire Department. I want to welcome you to our department and thank you for the support you give us daily. Today, we want to take a moment to introduce you to a couple of our important personnel and share with you some of the equipment we use to rescue people from dangerous situations. Let's go down to the truck bay where Deputy Chief Jeff Franks and Engineer Demario Sistrunk have laid out some of our rope rescue gear to show you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jeff Franks. I'm the Deputy Chief here at Louisville Fire Department. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about our technical rescue capabilities that we offer to the city and the county here. So as you know, firefighting has changed over the years. We don't strictly sit around and wait on fires. With all the natural disasters, current events going on, we respond to a lot of technical rescue calls. So roughly about 75% of all calls in modern fire service are not fire related anymore. So we have to adapt and overcome any circumstance that we may face in the fire service. So today I just want to show you a little bit of the hardware that we use to effect a technical rescue. So what you see here is rope rescue gear. Rope rescue is a big part of technical rescue. It's kind of the building block for all the other situations that we may get in. If you know rope, you can kind of get your way through a technical rescue call. So we're going to start off with some specialized equipment today. Here we have a technical rescue helmet. Obviously, it looks a little different than a fire helmet. So this is a bump helmet to keep you from getting your head bumped. It's also for use in the water. It has a cutout for your ears. This is basically an all hazards helmet. You can use it anywhere. Next, we have a class 3 harness. This is a harness that allows the rescuer to invert. Hook it around your waist. These straps go around your shoulders. If you need to invert to access a patient in a hard to get location, you can wear this around your shoulders and you can invert without falling out of your harness. So a very special piece of equipment there. Moving along to the hardware, what we have here is what we call a brake bar. This is a descent control device. Descent obviously means when you go down somewhere. So we're going to hook this into our harness. We're going to thread our rope through these bars and we're going to descend in a controlled manner to our patient or whatever we may have going on. So those are brake bars. All these orange straps are various types of straps. Some are for patient pick-offs, if we have to pick a patient off of a ledge or something. This is an anchor strap. If we need to anchor to a tree, a bridge, even to the fire truck, we can use these straps to create a solid anchor for our rope rescue. Another descent control device here is the figure 8, as you can tell by the shape. It also hooks into our harness and is used for descending. These are not brass knuckles. These are rigging plates. What this does is it gives us more points of attachment along our anchor so we can spread out our gear, kind of keep it nice and neat. These are swivels, and what these do is these keep our ropes from getting twisted. If our ropes get twisted, they're more likely to break and things like that. We have a rope grab here. This simply hooks onto the rope and grabs it in place, and it allows us to make another attachment to that rope. What we have here are various types of pulleys. We have a double sheave pulley and a single sheave pulley. Basically, you can put 2 ropes in this one, 1 rope in this one. What pulleys do is create a change of direction. They can create another anchor point or come off of another anchor point, change the direction of the rope, and allow us to do what we need to do. One of the main items we need in rope rescue is a carabiner. We have probably about 25 of these here. So these carabiners allow us to attach all these components together and to build advanced techniques and equipment that we need to use to get someone out of a rescue situation. These are rope protectors. What these do is these wrap around the rope and these keep the rope from getting cuts and abrasions on edges of things, anchors, whatever it may be. This is just a large blanket, same idea as this right here, but this goes over a ledge or whatever side of a building and this keeps our rope from getting cut. So with that being said, I'm going to pass it on to Engineer Demario Sistrunk, and he's going to explain how we use our tripod and our mechanical advantages. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Demario Sistrunk, engineer at the Louisville Fire Department. So I know you're probably wondering, what are you talking to me about today? Well, I want to talk to you a little bit about rope rescue. I know you're probably wondering what you're looking at. This is a tripod system. It's used to create anchor points. And inside that tripod, we have a 4-to-1 system And it's created by some of the things that Deputy Chief Frank talked to you a little bit about earlier. So what is a 4-to-1 system? It is a mechanical advantage, which means it gives us a mechanical advantage for lifting. So let me give you an example. Say you got a city worker that's been working on the street department and he fell in a manhole and he got stuck. And they need to call somebody to get him out. That's what the fire department is for. So what we would do, we would lower the system down into a hole. We would hook up to the person, and what we would do, we would raise him up. So we'll raise him up. We get stuck on something, gotta work, that's fine. You can let it go because it locks itself. It stops itself. Then when you wanna continue working, you just pick them back up again. All right, so with this 4-to-1 system, how much of a force that I put on this rope, say if it's 100 pounds, it gives me 400 pounds. Whatever force I apply, it gives me times 4 that amount of effort. So I hope I enlighten y'all a little bit today. I hope we were able to give you guys a little bit of firefighting knowledge and what we do as far as rescue. I just want to thank you guys for tuning in to our training video, and I just want y'all to stay on the lookout. We will be doing more videos like these in the near future. God bless y'all and have a great day. Hi, my name is Mario from the Louisville.
As Engineer Sistrunk stated earlier, we thank you for your support and we look forward to seeing you later. Please stay tuned for future videos not only from the City of Louisville Fire Department, but other City of Louisville departments as well. Thank you.